Hey everybody, welcome to our Crazy RV. So glad you're here. Today we're going to be looking at how to remove decals from your camper or rig. And we've tried a couple different ways, and we found some things that we really like and work well, and some things that don't work, and then a couple other tips that I want to show you at the end. So make sure to stick around for those. For right now, I want to talk about what I am going to be using. This is called a Wonder Wheel. It's about, I don't know, 3 or 4 inches in diameter. When you look at it on Amazon, it looks huge. It's not. It's actually about this big. And I found that this tool works really well, but there's a couple things about this that you need to know. But for right now, we're going to remove this Eagle Jayco logo because our Crazy RV is going to be put right up there. And we're going to show you that in another video, how to apply new decals to your camper. So let's get started on this. So with this particular wheel, I bet you we used up not even that much to do this decal right here. I'm not 100% sure how much that wheel would do as far as how many decals you could take off, but you'd definitely be safe to, you could take off a good chunk for sure. So that's a quick and painless way to remove your decals from your RV, and it works quite well. The one thing I do notice is that you get kind of these burn marks that show up if you rotate the disc too fast. However, on the previous ones that I've done, the burn marks actually went away and disappeared. So I'm anticipating the same thing's going to happen with the larger one that I just did. Although I did read on the forums that if you go slower with the drill instead of just going full speed, that the impact of those, and they don't burn quite as bright. So I'm just thinking that one will go away. However, I'm going to get it cleaned up, and in the next video we're actually going to go ahead and put the new decals on the RV because we're putting our logo and everything on it. So that's coming up right away in the next video. Here, I'm just going to show you the previous one that we did here. You can't even tell anymore. It was right here. It was actually coming off. It looked kind of stupid, and there was kind of the burn marks in here, and now you can't even tell anymore. There's nothing there. Thanks for joining us here, guys. If you enjoy RV travel, if you enjoy some DIY tips along the way, please like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate the support, and it allows us to keep making videos just like this. Until then, we will see you next Sunday.
Sit on the chair of shame.
Mommy's on the chair of shame.
No, this is a great spot. I'm nice and
No,
warm.
Dad, that's the chair of shame. The fire pit.
I kind of like these fire pits that you got like a grill on this side, you don't have to touch, and an open part over there.
I like that. And it's nice and big.
Now you won't be sitting on it later though, because it will be charcoaly. Like when we first got here, you were sitting in there.
Without the fire on, Dad. Without
Obviously,
it.
without the fire on.
It's
You're
like
sitting in the fire pit.
He was. You can go back and watch the footage because I recorded him sitting in it.
Oh wait, like we could be talking about that and then Dad.
This is why we can't have nice things.
And just roast yourself.
A chair and you roast yourself?
Yes, use the sauna. Yeah. Then suddenly you're on fire, and then you're out like this. You're like,
Now your butt is probably full of charcoal.
is it?
Is it level?
Very unlevel.
I need a jacket!